Hi, my name is Mihaela. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 4.4 or 5.0, especially before performing an update. First, let's review the most important updates in this release. You can manage applications and PGP credentials from Flow Manager Terraform Provider in the beta version. You can use predefined alert rules for transfer CFT successful registration. Filter and validate profiles in templates and subscriptions. Configurable interval for SecureTransport status checks. In addition to these updates, several bugs have been fixed. Flow Manager update for SFTP flows does not cause duplicate upload folder names anymore. The partner's root certificate is now imported in SecureTransport for passive mutual authentication SSL flows. The Copilot miscreate process parameter is updated on Unix platforms even if Enable Access Management is disabled during registration. Find a complete list of updates, bug fixes, and product enhancements in the release notes linked in the description below. One of the new features delivered this month is lock, unlock, and reset the user's password. In case of security concerns, users can be blocked by the Access Manager. This functionality is very useful when your SMTP is not configured or user email is not available and you need to reset the user's password. Also, you can lock suspicious user accounts. Another situation worth mentioning is that when an internal user tries to log into Flow Manager with the wrong password 3 times in a row, the account is automatically blocked for 15 minutes. After that, the user has 3 more chances to log in successfully. If all fail, the user is locked automatically until the Access Manager decides to unlock it. Account templates for SFTP flows with SecureTransport. Manage SecureTransport flows with SFTP protocol using account templates in partner-client communication profiles so that users defined in the SecureTransport LDAP or IDP can log on to SecureTransport to transfer files via SFTP. You can also enable shared folder transfers via account templates. Another new cool feature is that you can now define flows with SecureTransport using Hadoop storage protocol. All you need to do is to create a pattern with Hadoop, define the Hadoop address in the partner server communication profile, define authentication and security for SecureTransport connectivity in the SecureTransport client communication profile, and then define the download or upload settings in the flow template or subscription. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.